Hello everyone and welcome to another episode. It is Coach MJ and today I'm going to be showing you how to do the barbell squat. So the barbell squat is one of the best exercises, one of the best compound exercises for just overall mobility and overall strength of the body. It's also one of the best exercises for weight loss and also muscle gain. So you can't really go wrong by doing barbell squats. So I'm going to go through how to set up the bar, where you should be placing yourself, and then obviously the overall movement of the exercise as well. So you need a barbell. These weigh 45 pounds each, the real Olympic bars do. Then we want to make sure that we have the right amount of gap between this area of the bar and the metal bar here than we do on the other side over here, okay? So once we see that the bar is centered, we are good. Then we're gonna go ahead and set up. So we wanna make sure that the bar here is anywhere between our shoulder and the middle of our chest. Okay, so anywhere within this height is the proper height for where the bar should be, okay? Then, once we have the bar at the right height, then we're gonna go ahead and set up. So I like to put my pinky right where one of those lines are over here, okay? Every bar should have one. So you put my pinky there, pinky on the other one, and then I center myself in the middle of the bar right here. Boom. Then once I'm there, I'm going to make sure that I place myself underneath the bar just like that. I want to make sure that my hips are aligned with the bar here, so I'm not too far forward and I'm not crouching to go get it as well. This is for the protection of your back that we're doing this. So set yourself up. I'm going to restart. Boom, boom, center of the bar. Set yourself up. You want to squeeze your back as much as you can to rest that bar on your back muscles. So the bar should be resting right on these muscles right here. So not on your neck, also not too low, right on these muscles right here where your traps are, okay? So that's why you want to squeeze your back when you go to take it. So we're going to go ahead and set up right there. Rest the bar on your back muscles, lift it up, take 2 steps out, 1, 2. You want to make sure that your feet are aligned. They could either be straight, just like this, or slightly pointed out, not even 15 degrees, just like that. Once your feet are set up, lined up, then we're gonna go ahead and take a big breath at the top, hold it in, squat at the bottom, and back at the top, let out the breath. Back up, bottom, top. Now the movement we are creating right now is a hinge pattern, which I will explain to you in a further video. And then once we are done, we want to make sure that we shove the bar into the metal poles just like that and back down. And once we're done, we can go ahead and take a breath. So that is how you do the barbell squat.